Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. This one is again non-phone reviewing content, so we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just know the links, if you are interested in applying, are in the description box below. But the company Webstaurant Store, they are hiring a content expert reviewer. This is to work remote within the United States. Now, they are currently employing legal residents of the following states. I will have this list of states linked in the description box below. They do not sponsor visas at this time, so you have to live in the United States in one of these states. But they are looking for someone to focus on editing engaging written and visual content for their website, teaching writers about their style guides and industry trends, and being a key part of their growing business for the food service professionals. So as a content reviewer, you'll review the content and edit it in deep product descriptions with the perfect blend of creative and technical writing skills. You'll regularly correspond with different writers in the department to help them understand the style guidelines and industry standards. You'll maintain quality control by reviewing small and large scale content updates, marketing materials, and other site text. You'll help advise on the best practices of the user experience of the website. Of course, you'll have to participate in team meetings and product trainings, and you'll identify any trends and edits and inefficiencies with the work. Now, they do not require any college degree, but they are looking for someone who has a high attention to detail, a passion for being accurate, good organizational skills, past experience with some kind of editing, solid written and verbal communication skills, someone who can complete tasks in a timely manner, someone who has good research skills, and willing to question for clarification. Now, they do not list pay for this position. That is going to be dependent on location and experience. They do offer a complete benefit package, including medical, dental insurance, 401k, paid time off. And it does say that you have to have a valid physical address. P.O. boxes are not supported because they are going to mail you your computer equipment. So they provide all the computer equipment for you that you need. So if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because even if I'm not responding, I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.